All right, wanted to talk real quick about Rental Manager and features, like upcoming features and that sort of thing. Obviously, there's small things that I'm constantly doing, bug fixes or smaller features and that sort. But as far as like features that push it forward, there's two categories I kind of see. There's features that bring it up to like par with either other software or business needs, and then there's like features that separate it apart. And obviously the features that separate it apart are a lot cooler and interesting to work on, but they're a lot more challenging. So some features that would bring up to par would be like a customer front end, so like a public site that's paired with this, that customers could manage and book units. Then there's like gate access integration, so I could go out and find the most common like gate controllers that people use and then integrate that with my application so that you could do like automatic revoking of gate access, and you could also see like when people are coming and going, that sort of thing. But then there's other features like I could get all this data and information and put it into like a data warehouse, and you could build analytics and find trends or comparisons between where your customers are at and their information, and maybe when they're coming or going, if you have gate access, or when they're paying on time, and you can make decisions off of that. But some features that would separate it apart, one of the things I was thinking about that would be cool would be sort of like, I don't know what you want to call it, like a price watch or like a competition watch. Basically, it'd be like a dashboard that says like, here's all the facilities close to you and like what they're offering and charging, and here's what you have. And I kind of think of it as like gas stations, like they're always within a couple cents within each other when you go down the road. So it's like you could make price decisions based off of that. So that would be kind of cool. Another thing though would be what was it? Yeah, so customer front end, like a data warehouse, and then third and the most challenging would be like an AI chatbot that could edit the application itself, so you can make feature requests to it, and it would like change how the software works for you to fit your specific business need. And obviously, I'm not the first one to think of that. There's AI chat website generators out there, or software generators. I've used a lot of them. They're not great, but I think the way I want to approach it is not from a like prompt to give me this whole application. It's like prompt and you just change this small thing, because that's kind of what AI is good at right now, is doing like really specific things. But I'm breezing over some challenges with that, obviously, but I think that would be very cool, and it would solve a lot of problems with, I think, software today, where let's say you need software to run your business, to automate it, to make it easier, to save you time. You can go out there and try and find existing software. You're not going to find a perfect fit, and it might cost you an arm, or it might not, it's not going to be a perfect fit, so it's not going to save you the max amount of time, which is a bummer. The other thing you could do is get custom software. But if you get custom software, then you need that to be like managed and kept up with and supported, because technology is always changing, and I've seen software and scripts run for years without being edited, but anything can happen, and then you need that fixed. And so I think that, like I said, it's a big challenge, but I think that would solve a lot of people's problems, and having like a software that they can edit themselves, I think would be pretty beneficial. I think we'll have to there's some challenges with that. way easier said than done, but I have some ideas. I think that'd be cool. If you have any ideas or suggestions, let me know. But yeah, I just want to hop on here, do a quick yap, about that. And yeah, so I hope you have a good rest of your Saturday, and take it easy.